Hi everyone, welcome to Display Week 2014. We're here in beautiful San Diego, California. I'm Angie Kellen for SID and joining me is Cail with Zeon Chemical. How are you, Brian?
I'm doing great this morning. How about yourself?
I'm doing great. We're very excited to hear all about what you're talking about at the booth today.
Well, thank you for the opportunity to highlight the different products and technology that we're featuring here. So I look forward to a good discussion. We're Zeon Chemicals. We come out of Japan, where we're known as Zeon Corporation. So we're about a $3 billion global chemical company. A lot of our products and the ones we're featuring here at SID is our optical film technology that we call Zeonor films. So Zeonor films cycle olefin polymer. It's known for extremely good optical properties. So it's typically used in display and touch panel applications for things like part of the polarizer stack up, part of touch panel production process, and as well as OLED displays for really helping to improve deeper black mode, sunglass readability, which is a really big deal, particularly in mobile applications, as well as for OLED applications to help get much deeper blacks. That's been one of the challenges people have had with a lot of the OLED displays. So we're kind of featuring three different technologies here at SID. For the case of touch sensor applications, we're talking about sunglass readability. So a lot of people don't realize when you put on your sunglasses, you go outside, that you turn your phone or your tablet from portrait to landscape mode, and all of a sudden either the image goes completely black or it starts to get darkened. So we're showing some demos where we're showing what happens with and without sunglasses with our film, where you get a very beautiful image no matter whether it's in portrait or landscape, no matter whether you're sitting on your couch or you're sitting on the beach. In the case of OLED applications, we're showing our quarter wave retardation film. So traditionally with OLED displays, one of the real challenges is you don't get great black performance. So a lot of people who are spending the money on OLED, particularly in TV areas where OLED TVs are a higher price point, expect the best in optical performance. With our films, with our quarter wave retardation films, we can push the black mode much better. So much deeper black when you're watching the action flick. The nighttime scenes are much more enriching and much deeper. And finally, more from a production productivity standpoint, one of the challenges with LCD displays is the manufacturing location versus assembly location are often different places. Our film, our COP Zeonor film, is very optically stable, but also very dimensionally stable under heat and humidity. So when the panel's in transit, our panels using our film don't warp. Warpage, optical defect. Optical defect, not the best viewing image. So those are kind of the three technologies that we're representing. They're all called Zeonor film. And as I mentioned, we're Zeon Corporation from Tokyo, Japan.
Well, wonderful. We're certainly happy to have you here at Display Week. And is this the first time you've ever been to Display Week? Have you been here year over year?
So this is our third one in a row, and we've been at SID off and on over the past 6 or 7 years, but this is our third one in a row. First time to introduce technology for OLED, and second time for touch sensor applications. So we're hoping to, particularly as OLED becomes more developed and sustained, to demonstrate how our films can help in not only the current applications, but the emerging ones.
Well, terrific. We hope to see you again next year as well.
Hope so as well. So hopefully the show goes very well.
Great. Well, thank you so much for joining me, Brian. I appreciate it.
Thanks.
Take care.
Take care.
In San Diego, Angie Kellen for SID.